harmonica that's come through the post for me. It's an Easttop Lucky 8, very kindly sent by the lovely people at Easttop. So this is how. Now the only problem is because they sent it to me as a review thing, it means I've got to be nice about it, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. So let's see. Have a look, there it is. Oh my goodness. So cute. How cute is that? Look at that. That is super cute. Little tiny thing. A normal size harmonica would be that size, for example. So it's quite a bit smaller. Maybe if you've got small hands, this might be brilliant. This might be great for a child, I don't know. 8 holes. And then you fall off the end. Well, the response is nice. Let's try the draw. So it's a good Richter-tuned instrument. So let's have into the chords, shall we? So it's a C harmonica, so C chord when you breathe out anywhere. How does that sound? I think it's pretty tasty. And the draw chord includes hole 1. Let's go up a little bit. So there's your 3rd position chord. Let's look at some octaves, shall we? How's that tuning? What do your ears tell you? And then we fall off. A little bit of beating, but I can live with that. That's the 2/5 draw, beautiful discordant G7 power chord. Now one thing I noticed about this is that you can really smother your hands around it. Nobody would know you've got one. I think it's quite cute and the response is good. So I think it's solidly built and I like it very much. Very, very cute. I can't stop saying cute. Look at that. Look at the rounded edges of it. Beautiful design, isn't it? Really beautiful. It's got a couple of holes there, presumably for some kind of lanyard, I guess. Probably comes with the lanyard. I didn't look, actually. Let's try the bending, shall we? So hole 1. Let's try the draw bending first. Very easy. Very easy, hole 2. Very easy, hole 3. Very, very easy. 5 is only a quarter tone. 6 is a half tone, semitone. That's great as well. 7 blow is going to be just a quarter tone. And 8 blow will be a semitone, a half step. Yeah, let's check the overblows. Hole 1. Sort of works. Let's try 4. A little squeaky. Little squeaky. Yeah, so the drawback is the overblows are not great. Overdraws I don't tend to use. I'll just try 7 and 8. No chance. Well, I think that's very, very nice, very tasty, very easy to play. Who needs those extra pesky 2 holes anyway, 9 and 10? Who has ever played holes 9 and 10? Nobody, ever. That's not true. But I could live with that. Very nice. Fits in a top pocket. Oh, I haven't got a top pocket. If I had a top pocket, it would fit in my top pocket beautifully. So there you go. That's the Easttop Lucky 8, and I'm very lucky to have one. I like it, but I would like it to be able to overblow. That's my only... I like to use the overblows because the notes are there.